Today we will be mainly be focusing on shoes designing, how the a sneaker were designed. So let's start the sketches and we discuss what are the design process behind it, how to design a shoes so that it is easy to use and viable for the users. Thinking about something new, you have to be take some reference what are the available in the market and what kind of shoes you knows. So start from there and do some manipulation or idea generation or do some design sketches to understand the available design. When you know what are the design and what are the detailing behind everything, then you could easily be transfer your thought in something new, how to create something new. So before that you have to take some reference of a design which already been existing in the market and try to understand their detail by doing the sketches, by doing tier here tier and everything. How you could understand ki what are the part, how many parts available in it, how they have designed, what are the material they have used to making it possible, how the strength has been given. And there are multiple things, but yeah, when you do the sketches, because a sketch is the base of thinking or imagining anything. So through a sketch you could understand the detail, also through a sketch you could make something new also. And through a sketch you could also identify what kind of material you want to use, what kind of pattern you want to use, how the pattern going to be implement on the specific position so that the ergonomics which is used in your design should be comfortable to the user. So there are multiple things and multiple benefit of design sketches, and which is very important. And that's why we start from design sketches. Not only design sketches is the initial starting of anything, thinking of something new. Before that there is a very big step regarding which come under a design process which called as market study or the user viability, and then a scamping, and then mind mapping. And yeah, that kind of point is taken care, and then come to the your design sketches part. But for design sketches is a very much a skill based design, a skill based part where you have to be little bit good in ideating something so that it could be right in the perspective that what you want to imagine. Because at the end whatever you do the research and whatever you come up with the thought process is need to be visible, like what you want to basically make. So for that the basic a stage or basic a step you could say is the design sketches. So when you are doing the sketches you need to be understand little bit detail. So as you see I am just making a top view where I am understanding all the details. So as of now I am almost completed this view. We will be moving to the next view where we will be understand the detail from the side, how shoes all parts are have been designed, how we have taken the reference of soul, start with the soul and then making a basic form or I could say the basic shape, and then we will be following all the details behind it. So that kind of point is always be taken care. And when you are ideating something you have to be take a proportion from where you have to be draw overall shoes. So likewise we as inside view I'm just taking start the proportion from the sole, and then understanding the vamp area, toe cap, and then upper layer and heel area, and then yeah, and going in that direction and coming up with the right proportion. And I also started with the light drawing so that I could keep changing my lines and keep changing my details so that I could get a perfect proportion with the. Then we will move to the detailing of it and giving the whatever uh, the shapes which we are introducing in the specific design. So as you know you have a basic understanding how I started, how I started imagination and how I try to implement that imagination on a specific area. It is something one of the key role of when you are designing something or when you are ideating something new. So as you could easily see that the form when you would imagine and it is visible on the paper, then it's little bit easier to manipulate in 3D and then come up with a prototype. And yeah, so it's basically a step journey. So one by one you have to go to next a step to next step. So as you could see, the detailing is also coming out, that how it's going to be look from the side view. And then we will be jump here to the some coloring part, so that we could understand the depth of it. And yeah, today in this video I will be mainly be focusing on a sketching and little bit the design process behind designing something, and in detailed understanding how every things has been designed, how material has been chooses, how that can be come up with a prototype. While prototyping, what are the process we have using for making or manufacturing this product, we will be discussed in upcoming videos. But yeah, as of now, this is the basic requirement of understanding the designing, or to be a designer in shoes designing. This is the basic requirement. You need to understand the form and aesthetic behind it, or how to manipulate, or how to ideate, how to do a sketches, then come up with new ideas, is the basic key requirement. And then we will be understanding more details in upcoming videos. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned.